It took me a while to get here, but I wanted you to hear it with the body on. That's not bad. And the smoke. And that's assembled. That's bolted in. This is not bolted in. And as you can see, I've got a big service loop here. I have to figure this out. And I have some ideas, but I might have to fabricate a part. We'll see. But I'm optimistic. I mean, the guts are working. The interface needs to be cleaned up a little bit. And I'm kind of nervous about how that's going to interfere with the ability of the front truck to rotate. A little scared. I might have to push them out the front instead. That would be sad, but that just may be what I have to do. Okay, I gotta run. I overstayed my welcome in the lab already, and there it is. That's what we got. It's chuffing as much as it can, and it's puffing real well. And it looks good. Now this is the old. Yeah, this is the same body, so it'd be at the same height. I don't think it's too, well, it might be a little higher. I don't know. We'll work it out. We'll make sure. Yeah, no, it's right there. Boom. Yeah, we'll be all right. Okay, I gotta run. Later. I don't know. Could be good. Could be real good.